Hello guys, this is Ivan here. Today we are trading with latest new version Fortix V2. If you follow my channel, you would know what is Fortix. It is a strategy, latest version V1 with 2 confirmations. Now version 2, it is version with 3 confirmations. So I haven't changed it here yet. It will be changed until the end of the day. So this is indicator strategy for Forex and for binary, of course. Arrow plus 3 confirmation. Arrow is 100 not repainted, and all other, everything is not repainted. For all currency pairs, stocks, indices, all time frames, all assets. You will get 2 licenses, but today we are presenting new version V2, and you will get 4 licenses with the price of only, guys, price will be only 55 euro. 55 euro, but today. So this is kind of pre-order offer today only for all my subscribers of my YouTube channel, of course. 55. From tomorrow it will be regular price as it is here. So let's try to explain how it works. We have one trade here on a daily basis, taken about 1 hour ago. I was maybe too quick, but I just want to show you. So when we are taking the trade, we can use, first of all, any time frame, any assets. The strategy is the same. So this is a strategy. The first part of the strategy, most important maybe, is when you get arrow. When you get arrow, you should have in first version 2 confirmations. Now you have to have 3. So the first confirmation is, you see we are using 2 MA, quick and slow, and 2 MACD, quick and slow. 2 MACDs, yeah? So we need, first confirmation is that slow, that a quick MA cross down under the slow one in the direction of the trade, of course. And that 2 MACDs are going under the 0 line, and the red should be under the blue. This was in the first version. In the second version we need more, and this is example. If we have been taken only with first version V1, it will not be maybe enough sometimes. So you need this, which is fluctuating now about 0, sometimes 1 minute in green, 1 second in red. You should have this also confirmed. If we are selling, it should be red. And minimum, in my opinion, minimum 50% strength. So if you have 50% or higher in red, here you will take a trade. So this trade here is too early taken. It is a daily chart, So you would have enough time to wait that this is confirmed. This is confirmed. 2M ace. Quick one is under the slow one here. You see, if you don't see, you can always enlarge the picture, the screen. You see it is under. So, and this is also under. So we need this, and this is about green. So it is not, according to the new version, it is not valid. You should wait here. So we'll see. The trade before, you see, we have a blue buy arrow. It is fully not repainted. And we need two confirmations. Yes, moving average slow 8 crossed over the 21. This is a red crossing 0 line. Blue is crossing here. So you will wait the open of the next candle to be sure. You see, here we have a crossing, or maybe here. So you will wait that this cross, and here or here you will open the trade if, guys, this is 50 or higher. And then you are pretty sure. Then we have arrow plus 3 confirmation at the same time, and it is very confident, very safe. It is, you have chance nearly 90% to win the trade. So it is not complicated. You just need these confirmations, and then you go on. For example, here you see arrow, moving average 8 is under the 21. At the same time, when you have arrow, red and blue are crossing down, and you need here 50% minimum to confirm, and then you will enter the trade. I don't know, it was 3 months ago, guys, February the 6th, so we don't know what was this in that time, because this 40% is showing now what is happening in market, not 3 months ago. So if you had here 50 or higher, we can open the trade and we would be in the money. You ask yourself, and of course myself, when to exit the trade, when to put stop loss. Stop loss I will put always at the latest high point. It will be few pips over, like here. And for take profit, guys, I will have you have two options. First one is, if moving average cross over slow over the fast 8 over 21, and one of these make this is going over 0, it is time to go down, to close the trade. The second option is maybe a little bit risky, but you see, higher risk can bring you higher profit. So you will keep the trade, although it is going up, this and this, and especially if this become up, green, then you should guys close it. But second option is to wait next opposite Fortix indicator. So in that case we would keep this trade until here. We are in very nice profit, about 1000 pips. So this is some options I am showing you. You see this is Fortix 1. Let's put to Fortix 2. Fortix 1, let's put to Fortix 2. So here we had also on 4-hour time frame. You can use it on all time frames. I am trading Forex and I prefer higher time frame. I don't need 20 trades per day. I need 1 or 2 good trades even per week, or 1 good trade per day. This is enough to make money. Look, for example, here. Everything confirmed. This is crossing. Red is in that moment over the blue, and you enter the trade here if only you have this 50% or higher. So you will keep trade until 2 options, until the red candles are here and this moving average is going down and this going down. So both are going down, and especially if you have this in red, you can exit the trade here. Or at latest you will exit when the opposite arrow is coming. So there are many examples here. You see this one, you will exit here. Also this one was perfect. So we have arrow, this is step 1. Step 2, if this is crossing, moving average, quick one must cross slow one, and these two should cross 0 line, and everything is confirmed. And if you have 51, 50 or so, you will enter the trade here. Now we are keeping this trade still, so we are keeping it, waiting that this become red or this is crossing moving average 21, or this is crossing down, or higher risk but higher profit, wait opposite arrow. So guys, I hope I give you a good explanations. You see this one, fantastic. You can use on let's say on a smaller time frame for scalping, like here or like here. But I prefer, even you can trade a binary here. Here on 50 minutes you will take 4 candle expiry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 60 minutes. On 5 minutes, let's see if you have some 5 minutes. You know, this is mostly strategy for the forex trading, but if you like to trade binary, yes, this is entry point, 5-minute time frame, 50-minute expiry, 15 minutes. Here, 15 minutes expiry. Here 15-minute expiry, 15-minute. Here you will lose, but we don't know what was that. Probably it was not minus 50%, so we'll never take this trade. So you can use it, as I said, on all assets. This is not repainted strategy. It gives you perfect accuracy, because we have one step super trend indicator, Fortix indicator, plus 3 confirmations with 2 very important indicators, like this is moving average, this is MACD, and this is trend strength indicator, my own trend strength indicator. So today 55 euros pre-order price. You will get the system as soon as you pay. It is ready to be delivered. I will change this in few hours. It will be V2 with 3 confirmations. So the price will be the same, but only today it is 55 instead of 155. Why not to save 100 euro, which you can invest in trading? You can start even with 100 euros, no problem with that. You see these fantastic trades. It works best on 4-hour and daily. If you want to have more trades, you will use 4-hour, daily less trades, but much more pips. Even 1 hour can be used. You see here.
Incoming mail.
So guys, what to say more? You see we missed maybe this trade here, but maybe not. I am not sure what was here. You see it is up 6%. We need minus in red 50. Only then we will enter the trade. Of course, with Fortix V2, with this third confirmation, you will get, guys, less trades than with version 1, but accuracy will be higher and you will be more confident. You will not trade like I was trade here. You see, with our confirmation of this. So this is very important trend indicator, let's say confirmation indicator. You will need to get all 3 confirmations. Better, guys, to trade 1 trade per day, or I don't know, 5 per week, than 5 per day and lose maybe 1 or 2 instead to win 4 or 5. That's why I made this second version. It is not so much different. It only has this, and we have a little changes in arrow appearance. The arrow will come a little bit earlier in this version than in previous one. So 55 euros only for this today for my subscribers. From tomorrow, a regular price 155. Have a nice day. Bye bye.